I'm Dr. Bhartendu Swain, Director of Akarasha Hospital at Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. This is a unique hospital which is dedicated to people with either birth defects, deformities following burns, or after trauma of any sort, whether on the road, in the factory, or at home, and people with benign tumors or with tumors of the face and breast which require reconstruction. Now, this is a one of its kind hospital in the country, which is a very dedicated hospital, and the entire facility, the team is dedicated to delivering quality service in these areas that I have outlined. The story begins in 2001, where we started off as a trust doing annual camps, and then over time we built our own hospital called Akarasha Hospital. Now, in this, the majority of people are children who need our services, or people below 30 years of age. Now, for these kids or young people, there is a whole lifetime that they can become normal. So, we need to catch them young, and we need to treat them young to get the best possible results, to give them, say, 70 or 80 benefit years. And that's what this is all about. We need to put people back on their feet. Just imagine somebody running a race with both legs tied. Would that be fair? So it's like a child who's born with a cleft lip or a palate or a hand that is deformed competes with his peers at a much lower level. So we need to level the playing field, and reconstructive surgery helps do that. And that is what Akarasha is all about. In the past, we used to reach out to affected people through camps. We would do camps in block level, picking up patients who could have never traveled to the city, and we would help get them over to Akarasha Hospital. This hospital has dormitory facilities for attendance of patients, a canteen, so they are taken care of. And the patients who come from far off places are at ease because they do not have to bother about a place to stay in while their relative is being treated here. Now, since the 1st of February, we have changed the mode of doing things, and we have gone ahead many more steps by declaring our facility a free facility, which means we are a fully charitable institution now, and anybody who has a problem that can be sorted out with plastic reconstructive surgery can get it done at our institution free of cost. Now, this is to remove any obstacles that there may be for patients who would desire treatment. And for this, we are reaching out to many networks. We would also like you to put in a word to your friends, to your own relatives, and if there is anyone whom you can identify with any such problem of a birth defect, burns deformity, deformity after accident, or a swelling which is either benign tumor or a cancerous tumor, please ask them to get in touch with us. Our number is 733 731 8544. There's a helpline to it, so you can always reach out to us at any point in time. This is also a WhatsApp number, so you can send us pictures of the person along with a small write-up, which will help us to call the person for surgery as soon as possible. And the last appeal I'd like to make to generous patrons is, please join in this effort and do contribute in any way you think possible, so that more and more people can be helped lead a normal life. Thank you.